Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporifii Learn. Now let's see what is the important question with answer topic wise in module 3 DMS. Let's see without further wasting time. And I have uploaded UHV key answers. If you have not watched that video, please do watch that. Now let's see the relation question. Okay. F of x is equals to 3x minus 5 minus 3x plus 1. For x greater than 0, x less than or equal to 0. They have given. First, you have to determine just the values. You have to substitute in that place of x and you will find out the values. Okay. Next, what you will be doing, f of a is equals to b. A is equals to f inverse of b. Okay. That means you take it out this side. F inverse of 0 is equals to what? X. X is equals to f of x will be this, you bring out this side. It will be equal to 0. That means 3x. That is, take x value. F of x value, the function is given as 3x minus 5 is equals to 0 means x value will be 5 by 3. Again, the same type you take it for this function and that will be 1 by 3. So for greater than 0 it is 1 by 3. It's not equal to this for less than or equal to. Okay. Now next is about the f inverse of 1. Again the same type you can apply and do it. Again the same type you will be just applying the question. This is one of the repeated concept that is coming minimum for 8 marks. Okay. This is, I'm saying, never skip this question. Next question we will go. I'll try to complete module 3, 4, 5 within this video itself. Tomorrow we can discuss one short video as I had done ADA and DBMS both the videos. And if you want the one short video, please do let me know in the comment box. And see, next question if we go, that is based on this. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2 and all. ABCD it's given. Yeah, ABCD. And here it is given as what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, how many functions are there from A to B? They have asked A is A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See how many functions are there? Sorry. Yeah. How many functions are there? M is, that is, you consider this as M and this as N. This is having 4 and this is having 6. So that is the function value. That means if you want the function value, that will be n power m, that is having 1 to 96. And the number of 1 1 function from 1 to 1, that is 1 1 from A to B is nothing but 6 permutation you should do. Permutation 4. Okay, that means how many m value, that is n p m you should do. Next is onto functions. There are no onto functions from A to B since A is less than B. If A is less than B, there is no onto. This you have to remember. Next is function from B to A. You can say check again, that is m power n. Just you will be doing the reverse process of the previous. Again it is B greater than A, that is A less than B or B greater than B. Both are same. So no 1 to 1 function. Onto function will be having, you will substitute the formula of minus 1 power k, 4ck and 4 minus k whole power 6, and you will be substituting the values of 0 to 4. That's it. And if you perform the combinations, you will be getting these answers. Next is about the equivalence relation. This is very simple, just reflexive. Reflexive means what? X comma y should belongs to A. That is the given set. Okay, that means it is reflexive. Next, if xy belongs to some matrix, yx also should be belonging to the same matrix, that is having symmetric. And transitive is nothing but xy. Next, yz belongs to means xz also should be there. That is about the transitivity. If one also, if you disprove, it is disproved itself. Okay. Here you can see xy is belonging to, so it is reflexive. See. Next you can see xy and xy both are there. So it is symmetric. Transitive is nothing but, as I said, see, you can see here xy, xy. Again it is xy, xy. That is, if you take 1 to 3, x1, y1, y1, y3. If you take like that, x1, x3 should be belonging. That is having transitive. So you can say that it is a equivalence relation. Next is determine the equivalence classes of 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. That means if you can pair it as 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1. How it is 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 1. So these are the classes that will be there. And if you want for 6, it is 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 5 and all. That will be the classes. Next, if you see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is there. Define a relation A on that. A divides B. A divides B means what? B will be here, A will be here, B will be here. Okay, that's how you will be seeing. And the partial order and Hayes diagram and the matrix will be writing. That means they have given A divides B in this relation, right? So when you have to see that, you will be having 1 comma 1, 1 divides 1, 1 divides 2, 1 divides all the thing, 2 divides even, and 3 divides its number, 4 divides, 6 divides, then 12 divides. And for partial order, you will be taking one like reflexive, and you will be taking anti-reflexive, transitive, and you will be saying the partial order. And Hayes diagram, you will be writing it as 12, you can write it as 4 and 6, and again 4, 2 and 6 as 3. These are, and you can write the cover relation also, that is 1 2 1 3. Next is 2 4 3 6 and 2 6 also, 4 12 6 12. Okay. Next is matrix. The same way you will be writing 1 and zeros. It is diagonal will be 1, and wherever the relation is present, you will be writing it as 1, and if it is not present, you will be writing it as 0. Next is about the poset, whose Hayes diagram is given below, that is 3 4 5. Okay, they have given means all upper bounds of B, lower bounds, least bound, greater bound, and it is latest. We should check. Okay, that's it. And next is composition of function. I hope you know that's at G O F inverse is equals to F inverse O G inverse. That is G of F of X. This is F of G of X. They both should be equal. That's it. Okay. They will be giving a question. You can solve this easily. And next is about the, see, this is also one of the important. F and G be the function R to R, Ax plus B, and G of X is equals to 1 minus X plus X square. That means they have given G of O of X, and you have to determine what is the value of A and B here. Okay, just take the equation they have given. See here, you can take this. This is G O of X. G O F of X means that is G O. That is G of F of X, right? That is G of F of X, what? Ax plus B. Just substitute. And what is G of X? 1 minus, that is in X place, you substitute the value which is here, okay? Ax plus B whole square. And you substitute and compare, and you will be getting A square as 9. So A will be equal to plus or minus 3. That is root of 9 will be plus or minus 3. And again B will be equal to 2. That will be either plus 3 or minus 3 or minus 1 and plus 2. Next, the last topic, but the least and very important topic is the pigeonhole principle. That means it is, you can see here, ABC is an equilateral triangle whose sides are length 1 centimeter each. If we select 5 points inside the triangle, we can prove at least 2 of these, that is distance is less than half centimeter. Okay, you can see this question that is mainly have given a extra type. Okay, this I'll be solving. Next question. See, they have given, prove that when set of 29%, at least 5% must have been born on the same day of the week. Okay, pigeonhole principle formula is what? M minus 1 divided by N. Okay, now M is nothing but the number of person you have there, and N you remember it as how many days are in the week? 7. So that's it. You divide and you will be answering the 1. And if you get the p value, that is not the pigeon value. If you should add 1, that will be equal to 5. Okay, p plus 1 will be 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. Okay. Next, the 5, at least 5 or more people will be have born on the same day of the week. Now you will take here. Again, office employee 3 will be taking it as 13, and 2 of them should be there. Okay, that means at least 2. They will only give what you have to prove. You will be getting it as adding 1. Okay, that is the pigeonhole principle. And birthdays during the same year, month of the year. How many months are there? 12. You take here 13, and you will be getting the answer as 1, and 1 plus 1 will be equals to 2. That is the answer, and at least you will be having. And a conclusion you can write on this. I hope you got this module, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. Now let's go on to the 4th module. I'll do a one short video itself for this. the module 4 in the next video. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video. Bye bye.